Today's video I'm going to share with you very important point. If you can see the title of my thumbnail, that I mentioned that don't buy Bitcoin. There are a lot of reasons why I'm trying to explain today that why, if you are a forex trader, why you should not buy Bitcoin. There are a lot of possibilities that market is not moving upward anymore. If you can see in the Bloomberg website, financial website like investing.com, and a lot more websites are available that way you can have lot of blogs and lot of people in in YouTube. There are a lot of YouTuber who work with Bitcoin. They always talk about the big movement. But today videos I am talking about for those traders who are not looking for long term trading. But even if you are looking for long term trading, and if you are planning to buy, it's a very bad move, because if you can see the history of Bitcoin, which I am going to share with you, then you will understand why I'm talking about not to buy Bitcoin. All the people who watched my videos previously, I'm happy they are able to make some profit as per after watching my videos, and they were able to follow the instruction. For those who have planned and thinking about for long-term strategy, or thinking that maybe Bitcoin is going 100k or 200k or 500k as per the rumors, but currently market is not telling you these things. Market is really different. Let's start, and I will let you know why, and why is the reason that I want you not to buy Bitcoin. There is only good chance if you can always sell if market is not breaching 69,000. But currently, even what I can see, it's not going towards 60,000 as well. So let's start. If you can see here, this is the 6-month Bitcoin movement. So 6-month movement, if you can see this point here, market have whenever market reach 59,000, it's keep moving upward, then it come down, then it's reach here around 66, then if you can see a big drop here, 56, then after that it moves toward 69, almost 69 it touches, and it went back. Now all the things are very important. Just watch the full video so you can understand. Okay, first point, this one, you can see the movement and touching almost 69,000, and after that reach here. Now you can see year to date data. Okay, now this is very important. You need to understand why you should not buy Bitcoin if you are a forex trader. Okay, let's see here. Now you see is year till date data. Now see here this line. Now you can see here, from here, this one is March 21. Okay, so you see market reaching here. This point is very important. Now you see from here market went down 46,000. From where? This point, from 59 to 46. After hitting the 46, it was not able to break 47,000. Then market reach again up on this point, 59,000. Then after that you can see a huge drop again. This is very important point. Well, from here it reached till where? Till 30,000. Then market, sometime market was moving down, up down, and it was not able to breach this 28,800. Then again up down, then you see again 28,000 something. Then from here market start moving upward, and then there are some drops here, but after that market reached this point. Now you can see here market is keep moving such direction, but see this point again, this point, this point, this point. So one, market is going down. From here market went down almost 10,000. From here again went down almost 4,000. Then here there are some movement upward, but after that huge drop till 47. From where? From 64,000 to 47. So here again from 60,000 to 28,000. So this was crash. See, from 50% market went down. From here again the situation is going the same direction here. If you can see 1 year chart, now you see same line here. From here now you can see market reached this point, and after that market reached here. Now this point is very important. If market is not really going up, might be there are some correction from 1-2,000 points, but always this is a very crucial stage currently right now for the Bitcoin. Now you can see the all point for all history of the Bitcoin. Now you see here, this one is the history, all history. From here you can see go down. Now you can see the double candle here. From this area market went down here. After that from this area again market went down from 59,000 to 29,000. From 29,000 market again reach up, and this double candle again same like this. If you can see this candle, so after this candle market reach 29,000. Same is going to happen here. So this is very important if you want to trade with Bitcoin. If you are thinking long term trading, then possible you can open sell deal, and there are possibilities, but you need to wait more if you are thinking for the long term. Okay, because 69 is the resistance at this point, and 69,000, or if it breaks 70,000 market might go up. But at this point which I share with you as per year till date, you see this point. This is very important point. That's why I'm not asking anyone or any trader worldwide who you are able to watch different people who are explaining Bitcoin movement. As per my experience, because I'm also dealing with Bitcoin from last 10-11 years, that's why this is very important point where the Bitcoin standing right now. So if you will understand these things, remember this in the history, and from here where is the Bitcoin. If it's not breaching 70,000, then market is not really going up, because this is the main point currently where the market is heading. And you see this is a really good point if you think of it, and if you can see the history and the chart, there are a very good chance that market will go down. If you are thinking long term, sell deal will give you a huge profit. If you are able to see my previous video, I was playing with these candles, I got lot of profit. And even if you can see some of my traders who are watching my videos always, they also have good profit. The way I was telling about this candle movement sticks, if you can see the history here from last few days, from last 10-15 days, I had lot of Bitcoin positions which I opened, and I had lot of good profit from last 20 days. So again, this is very important point currently where the market is. And if you really try understand what I am talking, so think before you can act and buy Bitcoin. But currently the situation is not really going towards 100k or 200k or 500k the people are thinking. If you were not able to see my video about Saxo Bank, what they said, because as per the Saxo Bank, they are thinking that market will crash 98%, and if the market crash 98%, you will see Bitcoin is going like 10,000 or maybe below 10,000. So that's all for today, because this is the things I need to share with you, and this is very good point, and this is what my experience told me to share with you these things. You can watch other people videos, you can go live with them, ask this question about these things, why I am talking and why I am asking not to buy Bitcoin if you are a forex trader. So for forex traders, there are very good opportunities. Wait for the point, and if you are able to see my previous videos, there are chances that you can earn daily profit, like I mentioned before, how you can deal with the candle and open deals. And keep watching the videos if you want to trade daily. I'll give you the tip, and whenever I see that there is no more buy, then there is no more buy. I'm very confident, I'm very sure about for forex traders that as per this current situation, market might be going up little bit, maybe 2,000, 3,000, maybe 10,000 till 70,000. As I mentioned, if it's not break 70,000, then even from now I can see it not going maybe 62, 63,000. I cannot see even 65,000 at this point. But market rumors are sometimes really give hope for the Bitcoin that it is really going up and market is moving upward. That's the time people start buying. Then whenever the market is overbuy, then overbought situation, it keep moving downward again. And because of lot of rumors, I am thinking that Bitcoin is really going to crash near future, maybe in less than 1 month's time. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the strategy and the planning, please subscribe and share the video and discuss with anyone who you know that he knows better than better things. But this point, as I mentioned, is very crucial, and this is the point where you can think 100 times before you can open buy deals. Thank you very much.